Hi everyone. Merry Christmas. We are here. We are very thankful that Diamond Shop is here. Made it to our second Christmas.
Got a shoe.
She got a shoe for Christmas also. And we are very happy that we were able to share this Christmas season with you guys. Once again, thank you for your participation with the Christmas Giving program. It was a very touching event. And thank you to our Christmas Giving ambassadors. They have been very, very instrumental to the success of the program. So we thank you very much. And I believe that they had fun as well. So we are happy in that right as well.
And most especially, we thank all of you who have been supporting not just the shop, but also our YouTube channel, have been spreading our videos, hitting that thumbs up sign and also the heart symbol, and just sharing it with your friends and family and just talking about it. So it really, really means a lot. Every single thing helps. And without you guys, once again, there wouldn't be Diamond Shop. So we are forever thankful, and we wish you all happy, happy holidays and a merry, merry, and blessed Christmas.
Rocket, why don't you come say hi?
He has a little owie on his head.
Yeah, a Christmas present from Zuli. Playing with trucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want to wish them a Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas!
So we're going to be off to lunch with Reggie's sister and her family in a little bit, but we just wanted to take this opportunity because it is December 25 here in the Philippines to wish you all a Merry Christmas and to stay blessed, and that we hope that you all have a very, very prosperous, fortunate, and joyous new year. By the way, we'd also like to take the opportunity to say thank you to Lori Blewett, who has sent us over these cool Christmas threads that I'm wearing right now. Let's show it. Can you read what it says, Rocket? Meet me under the mistletoe. This has got a hoodie here. Hold on to Zuli so I can show. It's got a hoodie with, guess what? It's got a hoodie with a mistletoe. I love it. Thank you so much, Lori. It's awesome. We love it. This is not something that you can find in the Philippines. So it was a very, 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 very nice and thoughtful gift on your end. And also for the piano, I want to say thank you to Lori. She got you guys the musical piano toy that you can stomp and play music with your feet. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Zuli, you want to say thank you to Lori?
Say thank you.
For the piano. Say thank you. She's like, okay, let me play with it first again so I can remember. All right. Well, thank you so much again, guys. And Merry, Merry Christmas. On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! From our customer Lori Blewett. She's, I believe, actually our Diamond VIP already, and just one shipment of items. So she's given us these two. I think this is like one of those like pianos that the kids are gonna step on. Because she actually messaged and asked for our address to find out where we lived so that she could send us something, because she said that the kids worked so hard with her packages that she just wanted to send us something. So it was really, really sweet of Lori to think of sending us something. So let's check this out. Ooh, I think it's a skirt. So I'm assuming the piano is for the kids and maybe this is for Reggie.
Yeah, that's to match my Christmas tree present costume.
And what is this? Oh, it's one of those Christmas sweaters. And this is awesome because we don't have these in the Philippines. Oh, that is so sweet. It says, "Meet me under the mistletoe."
Nice.
Ooh. And there's a mistletoe right there in the hoodie.
Yeah, with a hood.
So all I have to do is wear the hoodie.
Yeah.
Awesome.
You'll be
Thanks,
like,
Lori.
I'll be like, where's the mistletoe? Right here. Put on the hood.
And then we've got... Oh, let me get rid of the box now. And I'm guessing this is... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is perfect for Reggie. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's me.
Yo ho ho ho.
That's got me written all over.
This is totally you.
Yeah.
Totally you.
Ho 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 Santa.
You-
Yo ho
it's
ho.
got your pimpin' style.
Yeah. Yo ho ho.
Awesome. Thanks so much,
Oh.
Lori. This is so
Thank
sweet.
you. Is it a hairpiece?
I don't know what this is. We'll figure it out. Maybe it's
Maybe they're bracelets.
bracelets? How? I'm so sorry, Lori. We're not familiar with this. If you know what it is for, let us know and then we'll wear it properly. In the meantime, if we wear it in the incorrect way, you can have a laugh and have a go and just laugh at us. Alright, so this is the next one. It says, "Step to your own tune. Use your feet to play real piano sounds on 24 keys with long notes, short notes, and adjustable volume." Ooh, you can record your own songs, Rocket. Check it out. You can record your own songs and play back your musical creations. And it's got songs like "Mary Had a Little Lamb," "Click Go the Shears," "This Old Man," and a bunch of others. Even "Popeye the Sailor Man."
Oh, like, wait,
Spinach.
this old man,
Huh?
he played one.
Alright, okay. I'm gonna open it first, Rocket. So, move away from the weapon. How do we do this? You know, guys, I unbox so many things. Technically, basically, I pack so many things, but I don't usually unbox a lot of things. So I am such a lousy, legit unboxer. I don't know where to start. Maybe I'm just gonna open the tape. How about I let Reggie handle this one?
Oh, it is what it is. That's out. What else is outside? We got a mat. We got more to Rocket from Rocket and Zooey from Lori B, and it's a Santa Claus right there.
Oh, hey, I guess that twirly thing too.
Yeah.
Here, let me get rid of the box. Set it aside.
Got the mats. This is the mat, the piano mat. Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
This is legit right here.
It's got speakers.
Okay. Does it have batteries?
Yeah, it does. Thanks,
Includes
Lori.
batteries. You may need to
Unscrew the
unscrew it, cut to put it in, and test it. That was a nice entry.
Susan, try it.
Wait.
Okay, be careful.
I'll hold the mat so it doesn't move that much. It's just like how I dance.
Do a deer, a female deer, ray a cup of golden sun. Me a name I call myself, far a long, long way to.
Lily's turn. Lily's turn.
You should learn that Runaway song that they played.
Lily, go.
I'm going to
Go, Zuli, press, press.
Come here, Lily. Like this.
Oh, like this.
Go Zuli, Zuli's turn. Baby's turn. Go Zuli.
Wow, yes. Come. Oh. Zuli ran away.
The little musician.
Whoa! The split! Piano splits! Never before in history has anyone done splits on the piano. Yeah, I've seen it all.
And jeans,
In
nonetheless.
jeans, in a fedora. We've seen it all. Philippines, America, the world's got talent. Splits on a piano. Done. Go.
Now call Zuli. Rocky, come here. Call Zuli. Try it.
Zuli's turn.
Come, Zuli. Come walk on the piano.
Walk with Daddy. Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Teacher Lori, very, very, very much. Merry Christmas.
Zuli's turn. Say thank you. Zuli, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Again.
Thank you. Thank you over there.
Say thank you.
Wait.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say mwah. There you go. Whoa.